Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to set up a complete C++ development environment on Windows 11 for JUCE audio programming. We'll be installing all the necessary tools and my custom tool called Jumake, which makes creating JUCE projects incredibly simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Visual Studio Build Tools. First, we need the C++ compiler and build tools. I'm going to visualstudio.microsoft.com/visual-cpp-build tools to download the build tools for Visual Studio 2022. After downloading, I'll run the installer and select the C++ build tools workload. This gives us everything we need to compile C++ code without the full Visual Studio IDE. Step 2. Visual Studio Code. Next, we need our code editor. I'm going to code.visualstudio.com to download Visual Studio Code. I'll download the Windows x64 user installer and install it with all the default settings. We're installing VS Code before Git because we want to set it as our default Git editor. Step 3. Git. Now for version control, we need Git. I'm going to git-scm.com/download/win to get the 64-bit Git for Windows setup. During installation, I'll make sure to select Use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. This is why we installed VS Code first. Step 4. CMake. For our build system, we need CMake. I'm going to cmake.org/download to get the Windows x64 installer. During installation, I'll make sure to check Add CMake to System Path so we can use it from the command line. Step 5. Restart. Now I need to restart my computer to make sure all the path changes take effect. This is important for everything to work properly. Step 6. Install Rust. Time to install Rust, which we need for my Jumake tool. I'm going to rustup.rs to download the rustup-init.exe installer. When I run it, it opens a terminal window where the installation process runs. I'll follow the instructions in the terminal and wait for the installation to complete.
Rustup will install both Rust and Cargo, the Rust package manager.
Step 7. Configure VS Code terminal. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. I open a new terminal in the menu. Step 8. Install Jumake. Now I can install my Jumake tool using Cargo. Cargo install Jumake. Jumake is a tool I created that makes setting up JUCE projects incredibly simple. No more wrestling with complex CMake configurations. Step 9. Create JUCE project. Let's test it out. I'll navigate to my C drive and create a new JUCE project. Jumake New Test Proj.
Select which template you want to use: GUI application, audio plugin, or console app. I choose GUI application.
Just like that, we have a complete JUCE project with proper CMake configuration, ready to go. This step will take some time. It clones the complete JUCE repository as a Git submodule, so we don't have to care about where is JUCE installed on the system. It's a part of the project. Step 10. Install CMake Extension. To make working with CMake easier in VS Code, I'll install the CMake Tools Extension. I'll open the Extensions panel, search for CMake, and install the one from Microsoft. Step 11. Open project. Finally, let's open our new project. I'll navigate into the project directory and then open it in VS Code. VS Code asks for trust the author of this project. Now it scans for kits and asks for choose one. I choose release-x864-AMD. Click on Build and your project will be compiled. CMake should start to configure the project immediately. After that, press that play icon to start the program. For testing, I can change the label in this window. Hello, YouTube. Conclusion. We now have a complete C++ development environment for JUCE audio programming on Windows 11, with Visual Studio build tools for compilation, Git for version control, CMake for building, and my Jumake tool for easy project creation, all working seamlessly together in VS Code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.